shoot, didn't change the, oh no, dang it, my bad. I'll walk to it, load it up. Well, that's the only good thing of being really close. Or not having a big spread of, there it is, of area that I'm flying through, so I can actually just walk and pick it up. There you go. Oh, that's clean. But still, I prefer the open area. Maybe I've just gotten used to it always having a lot more space, but all good. Alright, contact. I'm going sideways because I know I'm real close to the edge. Kind of warming up a little bit. It's like 50 something now. The morning yesterday was like 35, or then the other day was like 40 something, so I'll take 50s, man. Definitely not wearing a scarf like I did the other day, and barely a jacket. So it's kind of nice. I remember, when was it? It was a couple years ago. Didn't it snow and Halloween, which was super weird. I mean, October 31st and snow. I mean, I'm from California, that was totally uncalled for, but even for Wisconsin, geez. Do you remember if I asked a couple people from work to see if how many times does that happen? I'm guessing not too often, but and I keep looking up like that's gonna make any difference. I'm not inside the quad. I also keep forgetting that this quad is tiny. Can probably fit through a lot smaller areas. I mean, not going full speed, but for sure way smaller areas than I thought I would. So also don't want to press my luck and smack the crap out of it against a tube or something, breaking props, or which I know, actually I do have a bunch of spares, and I know they sell new frames, not the same one. I don't think it's the same one, but different ones that you can use to transfer all your electronics to it, but